Start by putting your body in alignment and proper posture. Sit or stand tall and take a couple of regular breaths, relaxing your shoulders. Begin by pressing your fingers underneath your left clavicle bone. Turn your head to the right, tip your chin down, and then tip your head back. Take a few deep breaths while you stretch. Relax back to neutral position. Repeat on the other side by placing your fingers underneath the right clavicle bone, turning your head to the left, tipping your chin down toward your chest, then tip your head back. Again, take a few deep breaths in this position. You can repeat this stretch throughout the day. It will help with tension and neck pain.
If you enjoyed what you learned today, click the like button down below. If you happen to be new, please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in on upcoming content.